Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping and priming efficiently. Wash and dry the miniature, remove mold lines, and apply a thin, even primer. Once primed, choose primer color to control contrast. White brightens tones, black deepens them. Now shake the contrast paint vigorously for 20-30 seconds and check consistency. This ensures pigments and medium are mixed. Next, load a medium brush and test on a spare piece. Do one thin pass. This first coat lays down base color, and flow for all following layers. Once you have control, focus on application. Use a size 02 brush so you can reach recesses without overloading flats. Start by guiding paint into recesses and details. Capillaries of pigment settle there and create depth. Then pull a slightly drier stroke across flats to avoid pooling. If edges need softer transitions, work wet on wet to feather blends. Make sure to thin the paint 1/4 to 1/2 with the manufacturer's medium when it's too opaque or runs. That prevents loss of detail and keeps highlights readable. You finish by building highlights and sealing the work. Once the contrast coat is fully dry, apply thin glazes or targeted highlights to raised edges to restore definition. Then protect the miniature with a matte varnish. Add small gloss spots where shine is desired, like eyes or metal. If something goes wrong, lift excess paint immediately with a damp brush or a cotton swab, and reprime and repaint any areas that lost detail. Finally, inspect under good light to ensure consistent contrast and tone across the model.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.